Good morning, everyone. Today is the 5th of March, 2021. It is Friday. We're here around 12, midday, and there's Zoe relaxing and listening to some nice Spanish guitar on the wait, which is sometimes 2 to 3 hours wait, sometimes with these government programs now. But yeah, we've been having some situations happening. We need someone to look into it. But anyway, I was just discovering something about neutrinos. You know that they are neutronic. What we have is protons and neutrons. Basically, you have a proton and neutron. They're one and the same thing, but they're just turned inside out. And that's what happens with black holes. They go inside out, and then there's that specialized energy that when nova happens, supernova, it contracts and compresses. It fuses and makes babies called neutrinos or particles, and new life comes out of this decayed matter. So you know there's the third element, and the third element is protoplasma.
You can protect your personal information
and I have
by
personal
keeping
information
all documents containing your social
in the
insurance
advanced
number
drawer.
and personal information in a safe place.
Safe
All of our
place.
agents
Is there
are
a safe
currently
place
busy.
today?
Please stay on the line.
I don't think so.
Your
Not
call
if
will be
there's
answered
5G.
by the next available agent.
What do you think?
Please have your social insurance
Social
number
insurance
ready.
number? What's that? Okay, so what we really need to find out now is what's going on with particles, right? We have a standard model chart. What we need to know is the standard model chart is about either proton or neutron particles. What is it? I believe they're proton particles. I believe neutrinos are really, even though they came from a neutron fusion, black hole, they made life, they made babies, they made particles, and these particles are sort of like, but they're not the same as the Higgs boson or the protoplasm. I think the Higgs boson is as close as we can get to date as far as the God particle is concerned, which is that energy, protoplasmic energy, that is undefinable and is obviously spooky action at a distance because it behaves very oddly. And the more unusual it is, the more it has an intelligence. And since our consciousness is without material realm, we live forever because we're already in eternity. I call it eternality. And I suppose that's about what it is. Anyway, I just thought I'd talk to you about that because it was kind of concerning me about proton and neutron. Are they both particles, or do they make particles? Or are they one and the same thing? And I believe they are. The electrons seem to disappear or get stronger, more intense, or completely evaporate into a proton plasma or a protoplasma. We have to discover this unusual third element behind the proton and the electron, behind the proton and the neutron, and the electron is just the reaction between the proton and the neutron. But then when they merge, it becomes particle, and it's like a seeding a new universe with interesting crystalline energy, and the crystalline energy is dimensionality. But beyond this, we have the non-dimensionality of protoplasm, which is incorporating everything and nothing, which is quite unusual. Something like quantum, but probably a little bit beyond quantum. Anyway, nice chatting. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye-sies. Can't think of. Oh, boy.